Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to disable Windows startup programs. Okay, so let's get started. You need to right click on the taskbar. You'll get an option Task Manager. Select it. Then you need to click on Open Navigation pane. On this navigation, you will see Startup Apps. Select it. Alright, now we'll sort this list of applications through the status. Okay, so there are four apps which start whenever I start this Windows laptop. Okay, so what happens is whenever you boot on your computer, these are the applications which will start automatically in the background. Okay, this will delay or this will take longer time. Okay, your computer is going to take longer time if these applications are going to start in the background. Okay, so I'll disable this as I don't need it. You can just right click on this application and click on disable. Since they are enabled right now, so I'll disable all these apps. Okay, you can also make use of this button over here to enable or disable. All right, so I have disabled most of the applications which were going to start whenever I start up the computer. Okay, all right, so all this settings is done. I'll close it. So this will improve your Windows startup time. Okay, now if you're using any old computer, old Windows edition, like if you're using Windows 7, in that case how you can do it. Okay, you need to select Windows key, then type run. Okay, press open. Over here you need to type msconfig and press OK. If you're using Windows 7, in that case you need to do this to disable startup apps. Over here you can see a tab startup. You can select over here, and in this menu you will see list of applications. Okay, you just need to tick mark those and click on disable. Then you need to restart your computer if you're using Windows 7 in that case. So I'm having Windows 11 on my computer. So in that case, this option is switched to Task Manager. So if I have to do this, I can click on Open Task Manager. This is going to open the Task Manager to the same window where we visited previously on the startup apps. Okay, and you can enable or disable the application. Okay. Alright guys, that's it for today. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.